This video provides a tutorial on configuring vector control for the HARS320 series variable frequency drive. By default, the VFD is set to V or F control mode. However, in specific applications where low-frequency torque under V or F control is insufficient, switching to vector control is necessary. Vector control is an advanced algorithm that requires accurate motor parameters. Let's start. Press the PERG button to enter the settings menu. The display shows DO. Press the up key to navigate to group FO, then press PERG to enter. Press the up key to find parameter FO.01, press PERG to confirm. The display shows 0. Press the up key to change the value to 1, then press PERG to confirm. Vector control is set. Next, navigate to group F9, which contains motor parameters. From the current group, press the up key to find group F9, then press PERG to enter. The display shows F9.0, representing motor power. Referencing the motor's nameplate, the power is 0.37 kW, round it to 0.4. Press PERG to enter. Use the green button to shift digits. Use the down key to set the value to 0.4. Press PERG to confirm. The display shows F9.01, the motor's rated voltage. Press PERG to enter. The motor's rated voltage is 380 volts. Confirm by pressing PERG. Next is F9.02, the motor's rated current. Press PERG to enter. The display shows 1.5. Use the green button to shift digits and the up or down keys. To set it to 1.12, press PERG to confirm. The display shows F9.03, the motor's rated speed. Press PERG to enter. The display shows 1410. The motor's rated speed is 1380. Use the green button and up or down keys to adjust to 1380. Press PERG to confirm. The display shows F9.04, the motor's rated frequency. Press PERG to enter. The frequency is 50 Hz. Confirm by pressing PERG. Now, F9.05 appears, representing the VFD self-learning code. Press PERG to enter. The display shows 0. Press the up key to change it to 1, then press PERG to confirm. A set of English letters appears on the display. Press the green button to start the self-learning process. The VFD enters self-learning mode. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, the display returns to the main screen, showing 50 Hz, indicating that self-learning is complete.